Hey everyone, John Henry from School of Trade. Today we're going to be taking a look at a short wedge breakout here on the S&P. Now, we're seeing the day mostly as a range. We're not getting really huge movement. We're not getting anything crazy going on. We're in a range. If we zoom out, we can easily see that range forming. Now, with this range, we're in around the bottom edge of the smaller range here, but a lot of times when you get this cycling back and forth, they end up wanting to deviate lower to expand the range to encompass really the entirety of the day. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. I'm looking at this being the middle of a larger range, and we're looking for a breakdown to get that move to widen out the daily range. So an entry short at 51.25 on the wedge breakout. Nice strong bear candle showing the sellers want to attempt to break it out, and I'm looking to drive this down to an area of support around 47.25. Now, I'm not a big fan of putting levels on exact prices, so I'm going to go ahead of that a little bit here, and we'll go to 48. Now, I do have the stop at 53.75, but if we can get a little bit of more confirmation showing us that the sellers are breaking down, we're getting the move that we're looking for, then we will definitely be locking that stop in a little bit closer, because I really don't want to see the market go back against this move. So the entry short 51.25, looking all out at 48. Seeing the bears pushing down one tick away from our target. So because we're really close to our target, I want to lock the risk out of this. So 20.51 immediately is where the stop will move. Now, we have come one tick away, so I do want to see the market go relatively fast to get this target. The problem is I can't really put my stop anywhere but break even because these candles have been huge, right? If we zoom in a little bit here, we're not really getting a whole lot of movement. In terms of multiple candles, it's all coming in on one giant candle. Because of that, we have to kind of put the stop just to break even and let the trade sort of work itself out. But we are seeing that conviction from the sellers. We are getting that breakdown. It's very likely that there are a lot of buyers down here looking to pick this up, assuming that the larger range is now the precedence and they're looking to fade that move back up in. So we get the target filled, but I definitely assume we're going to be seeing some buying pressure right around here. See the buyers pick it back up and drive it back up towards the highs. So that's going to do it for me. Beautiful little fade off of the wedge breakout, looking for the wider range on the day to occur, and that gave us a very nice quick, well, I won't say quick, but at least a nice breakdown. It's the S&P. Nothing happens really fast on the S&P. So, but that's going to do it for me. If you have any questions about it, feel free to send an email to School of Trade. Don't forget to check out our trial at schooloftrade.com, and as always, we'll catch you next time.